In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a domain using Google Workspace. Understanding how to manage unwanted emails is crucial in maintaining a clutter-free and secure inbox. And when it comes to controlling which emails reach you and your team, Google Workspace offers a straightforward approach. So let's dive into this process and ensure you have a seamless experience managing your Gmail settings. First things first, start by heading over to your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Apps section. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select Google Workspace. Now you'll see several Google services. You're going to want to click on Gmail. This step is essential because we're focusing specifically on configuring email settings, and this section will house everything related to Gmail management. Now that you're in the Gmail settings, direct your attention to the section labeled Spam, Phishing, and Malware. Here, you have the tools necessary to safeguard your inbox against unwanted and potentially harmful emails. Within this section, you will find an option that says Blocked Senders. Click on Configure next to it. This configuration tool is where you will define which domains or specific email addresses you want to block. Being able to manage this allows you to prevent messages from known spammers or problematic domains. Here's how you can easily add the domains or addresses to your block list. Within the configuration window, there's an option to add addresses or domains that you'd prefer to automatically reject messages from. Enter the domain or addresses that you want to block. This action instructs Gmail to prevent any emails from these sources from reaching your inbox. Google Workspace also provides you the flexibility to modify the default rejection notice if needed, offering an added layer of control on how blocked senders are informed. Once you've finalized the list of domains and addresses you wish to block and have made any desired changes to the rejection notice, it's critical to remember to save your settings. Look for the Save button and click it. This ensures that all the configurations you've just set up are activated. From this point on, any messages from the blocked domains will be automatically rejected, keeping your inbox clear of unwanted clutter and potential threats. And there you have it. You've now successfully configured your Gmail settings in Google Workspace to block specific domains. This process not only helps in maintaining a focus on important communications, but also substantially contributes to your digital security. Ensuring these settings is up to date and aligned with your preferences is beneficial in running efficient communication channels. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.